I'd like to share with you how you can use ChatGPT and the struggles that you've experienced to create content. We're going to use the struggles that you've experienced in the past 12 months and the breakthroughs that you've had to be where you are today. So when you apply this ChatGPT prompt that I'm going to share with you down below in the description, you'll have 42 pieces of content that you can create to attract your ideal customer. So if you're posting 3 shorts a day, then that is 14 days worth of content. So what were your struggles and your breakthroughs? If you haven't watched the video from the other day, make sure you go watch that one first, and I'll link that video down below. For me, these are 6 of the struggles that I faced. Number 1 was not having enough time. Now, a lot of people say that they don't have enough time in their day, but we've all got the same amount of time, 24 hours. It's what you do with your time is what is important. So the breakthrough that I had was understanding the income producing activities that I needed to focus on in less than 2 hours every day. When I focused on these income producing activities, it moved the needle in my business. The second problem that I faced was building a funnel. Look, I'm not a tech guy and I don't pretend to be. So I wanted something easy that I could do. And when I found the pre-built automated funnel, it was a game changer for me. Number 3 was posting content every day on Facebook. When I was doing high ticket affiliate marketing, I was posting every day on Facebook to build my brand and to attract my audience. But the breakthrough for me is when I discovered that I could create long form content and upload it to YouTube and to use software to help me create viral short form content. I could schedule that content in less than 20 minutes every morning, which freed me up for the day. The fourth problem that I was facing was sending cold DMs. When I was doing Facebook organic marketing, I was adding friends on Facebook and sending cold DMs to build that relationship. But when I discovered that I could create content that attracted customers to me and they were coming to me with their credit card in hand ready to buy, that's when I went all in on creating video content. The fifth problem that I was facing was 45-minute Zoom calls. When I discovered the automated process that followed up my leads for me, then I doubled down on sending my traffic through to my funnel, which my funnel converted the traffic into leads, and the automated process converted those leads into sales. So this process freed me up from jumping onto Zoom calls, sending cold DMs, and posting every day on Facebook. The sixth problem that I had was closing the sale. Look, I'm not a hard salesman. I only work with people that have a problem that I can help solve. If you have a problem around building a brand, generating leads, growing your email list, creating short form vertical content or long form videos, then they are the types of problems that I can help my clients with. And when I found the system that did all that for me, then that is where I recommend my clients go to solve that problem. And when I found the program that helped me close sales, not have to jump on 45-minute Zoom calls, send cold DMs or add random friends on Facebook or build a funnel, then my time was freed up and I could spend more time with my daughter. So this is the prompt that I added into ChatGPT. Help me create 7 video hooks for a short form video that creates intrigue and is interesting to the viewer. So the video can capture the attention of my ideal customer so I can share my struggle with them and to attract my perfect customer as to why I was a little anxious about growing and scaling my business. My struggle was X, and the breakthrough that I discovered was inside of the program or the course that I had invested in, where it showed me how I could buy and insert the outcome that you want to achieve. Now, I'm going to share that prompt down below in the comments so you can copy a model. And if you have a friend that needs this prompt, then make sure that you share this video with them. When you use this prompt for each one of the struggles that you've experienced, then make sure that you put your own voice to the prompt because you want each one of your struggles to identify with your audience. You want your content to connect and resonate with them. So you need to be yourself in your content. Now here's the prompt that I dropped into ChatGPT. And as you can see, it's given me 7 hooks. So I dropped the prompt in and it's got, here are 7 short form video hooks to create intrigue, highlight your struggle, and draw in viewers who can relate to your journey of moving away from high touch methods like Zoom calls and Messenger and automate your business so you can spend more time with your family. So the first hook was I was stuck in Zoom calls and endless DMs until I found a way out. Number 2, ever feel like your business is running you? Here's how I took back my time. Number 3, I was spending hours qualifying leads, then I found a way to automate it all. Number 4, why I gave up on Zoom calls and DMs to focus on what really matters. Number 5, imagine running a business without endless calls or DMs. Here's how I made it happen. Number 6, I was nervous about scaling my business until I found this game-changing system. And number 7, what if you could spend less time chasing leads and more time with family? So each one of these hooks creates the pain point with curiosity to get the attention of the viewer. And the story that you're going to pair with these hooks is going to bring your viewer on a journey. And the last thing that you want people to be doing after watching your story is getting them to take an action, whether it be to save this video, to share it, to comment, or to smash the follow button to learn more about you. Tomorrow, I'm going to show you how you can take these hooks and apply the framework so you can create content that connects and converts your audience into customers. So make sure that you smash the subscribe button down below to know when the next video drops.